Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add priority to cards in Trello. So first you have to set up your priority, so click on the card and then click on labels. Here you can set up your priority labels, so just simply click on the green one on this pencil icon and set it up to be low priority, for example. Click save. Then click on this red one and set it up to be high priority and click save. And now simply select it. So this is low, so click on low. And now click on the second card and give it a label high. Let's say high. And now as you can see, it has the high label and you can clearly see which one is the highest priority. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.